There was something missing in my foundation. Why blame the poor walls? These words, attributed to a famous Indian lyricist, resonate with me a lot as an educator. Mathematics education suffers from a similar fate. Too many missing pillars of concepts. Tighten your belt to jump across the biggest gulf in fraction education. And that gulf is, what is the part that fractions represent? Actually, what is the whole, full, or one of which unit fractions are part of? Why the parts are the same in a fraction? Why the impression that a half or 1/10 are a part, not a whole, in their own right? Let us visually discover. First and foremost, recall, it is the unit fraction that is the part of a whole. The unit fraction is less than 1. In 4/2, the unit fraction is 1/2, and 1/2 is less than 1. 4/2 has 4 of 1/2, and it is more than 1. It is, in fact, 2. Similarly, 100/99, 345/300, and 8888/888 are all more than 1. But their unit fractions, 1/99, 1/300, and 1/888, are all less than 1. Next, how a fraction with multiple unit fractions, such as 2/5 or 34/35, has multiple of the same unit fraction. For example, the fraction 2/5 has 2 unit fractions of 1/5 each. Both 1/5 are the same. Similarly, 34/35 has 34 unit fractions of 1/35 each. And all 1/35 are the same in 34/35. This is the most foundational feature of fractions and counting too. Same unit in a count. And why is it so? The unit fractions of a given fraction has a fixed one, the whole, of which the unit fraction is a part. Indeed, the 1 in 1/5 is the same for both the 1/5 in 2/5, and all the 34 1/35 in 34/35 have the same one. They are part of the same whole. What is a whole or one? What is special about it? The size of a nation's economy, a dozen eggs, and such infinite more are all one. A family is a whole, just as a national society, and the global humankind is also a whole. The solar system is a whole, and the earth is also a whole. There is nothing special about a whole thing. Literally anything can be a whole thing. Rupees 50 is a whole by itself, but it is also 1/2 of 100 rupees. 50 rupees is an equal 1/4 of 200 rupees. The picture shows the first, the second, the third, and the fourth 1/4 part of rupees 200. And 100 rupees is equal 1/2 of 200 rupees. If 1 is a dozen eggs, 4 eggs make 1/3 part of a dozen eggs, and 3/4 eggs make 1 dozen eggs. Further, how unit fractions or equal parts are made from a whole, or one. If a given triangle's area is 1, or whole, then 2 triangles can be created in it, each with same area as the other. Each of the 2 are 1/2. Each 1/2 can be a unit fraction of fractions, such as 3/2, 4/2, 89/2, etc. For example, in the fraction 89/2, there would be 89 unit fractions of 1/2 triangle. Register that the equal halves of the triangle are equal with respect to area. An apple can be cut into 3 equal parts by weight, that is, each of 3 parts will be of the same weight. But their volume or size could be different. The apple can also be cut into 3 equal parts by volume. The weight of each part may be different in this case. Another example of creating 1/2 as a unit fraction. But here it is, 2 equal ply boards by length, and length alone. We do not know if their weight, area, etc. are also the same. Each half board may be used in multiples to make anything. Everything is a possible one and also a part. Thank you. With us, you will master all the mathematics you need. Be good to you, not just others.